Hello everyone. Today we're gonna actually review what happened yesterday. Yesterday I could not make the video, so let's make a quick video today. Let's actually go to history, and as I have not traded anything today, so okay, it's not showing anything in the history itself. So let's go for all history, and in all history, let's again do a custom period and do it for okay, wait. So let's do it for last 3 days, and yesterday was 30. So let's go for 30 2:30. Okay, so 8:30. Okay, so everything over here is for 30. Yesterday, yeah, it was not a very good day. I lost $29. And as you can see how the day went, so let's start from the beginning. Actually, let's go where I started trading in this over here also. So I guess it is too far. It is 31 even now. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I did this. So yeah, let's go to, okay, this is now 30. Yesterday I took some good trades, but again the problem with me is I'm putting like very tight top stop losses. Yeah, let's actually go to the first trade that I took, which was 1356. So this was the first trade. Okay, not a good entry again, because as you can see, this was in a pretty good uptrend, but over here, as you can see, after this broke up, I entered over here, and as soon as I entered, you can see what happened is it went a bit in my direction, but dropped down. And yeah, my stop loss pretty small, I guess, over here. I don't know what was my stop loss. I lost $3. Okay, I lost $3. Pretty small stop loss. What is with me? I'm doing the same mistake again and again. Although the volatility was not so high, that's why I might have chosen to have such a small stop loss looking at this. But at least I should have kept over here. At least like 10 should be the minimum that should I be putting. Yeah, so this was pretty good trade, and after this could not break the high. I thought, yeah, it is gonna go down. As you can see, like this. So this was like going over here, and it could not break the high. I entered with a pretty small stop loss again, just over here, and yeah, it broke up. That I'm not uh, like pretty sad about that because it was a very bad trade, very bad entry, and very bad like judgment basically. So and again entered over here. It was now good. My stop loss was at least bigger than the last time this time. So it went for quite a long time in my direction. So as you can see, the New York was about to open, and as you can see, it is like going totally rogue. Okay, so what I did is after this. Pretty good uptrend. I added one more over here. It was going pretty good, but I put my stop loss very tight over here. That was intentional because, yeah, after New York open, like first few candles are pretty big in every direction. That's why I decided to make my stop loss tight. But as you can see, it just tapped me out and again went into my direction. And not only this much, it went pretty high in my direction. So this was these two trades. After that, as the volatility increased a lot, what I thought is I'll still be trading, but let's trade with a very small amount. So I usually trade with zero point 0.1, so I made it 0.01, and then I traded with that. And yeah, first one was loss, not a very big loss, -1. And after that, the second one was a pretty good profit, even though it was pretty good as my size was just 0.01. So this could have been a $50 move, but I got only five or four, I guess. Yeah, four. So that was it. And after that, again, these are pretty good trades. If you see up to now, I don't know how much up I am, but it is like 12 and 4. So let's go for 5. 12 and 5, 17, and 8 gone. I'm 11, $12 in profit basically right now, I guess. Yeah. And then after that, yeah, it went a lot messy. It was uptrend. As you can see, it is still an uptrend. I entered over here because I was out for a while. When I came in, let me zoom out actually. Oh, it is a lot. So let me do this. So what I was seeing is this. Pretty good uptrend, pretty good uptrend. I was out for this, so I could not see what is happening. But as soon as I came, it was over here, and it could not make a new high, and instead broke this low. I was pretty stupid to take this trade. And as I remembered, my trade was again in zero point 0.1 or 0.02. Actually, I changed that. So yeah, I had to take three trades over here because in one I just entered with zero point 0.2 and then I again entered with 0. Like zero 0.4. Like I said 0.2, it should be 0.02 actually. So yeah, again I re-entered two more times to make it 0.1. So after that, it was struggling to go anywhere. So all of them were stopped out right now. And after that, I see now what I'm seeing is what I was seeing is this is a downtrend now, right? So this is a downtrend. Let's go into a sell trade. I went sell trade over here. I always do this mistake. I go into sell trades at the bottoms and I go into buy trades at the top, right? So as I entered over here, I got stopped out, and then again I entered. Which one is which one is that? Oh, there was one more $9. Which was this? I don't know. Oh, this one. Okay, this is the one, $9. This one. So after that, yeah, and during like when it was close to this high, I entered a sell, and it was pretty good entry though. I was making quite a lot. Like this was pretty good, and again I moved my stop to I don't know. After this entry, it was just $3. Pretty bad stop loss. Because as you can see, just taught me out. Just literally. Just taught me out and again went into my own direction wherever it was heading. So up to this point, I had lost, like it was still in profit. And after that, I took pretty stupid trades, which caused me all those losses 10, 10, 20, and 20, and I guess one more 10, 30, around 27. So yeah, these were the three last. Up to here, I was still in a break even. So yeah, this was a pretty bad trade. If I was not stopped out, I could have actually I was making around $30 or $40 just in this trade. So what I'm seeing is I am sometimes like entering at a pretty good place, sometimes at a pretty bad place. But when I'm in a good place, one mistake that I always do is I put my stop loss very short, like very tiny, so that it just touches that stop loss and moves into a direction. It happens like it's three times in just this day. After that, I went again in a sell trade, and this was something that I don't do. This was the first mistake that I did. The mistake was I entered when my whole trade was not in profit. Then I entered. That is not something I should be doing. Okay, so yeah, I tell my future self, don't do this. This is a pretty bad thing to do. And after that, yeah, it did not go well. After that, you can see it went into a pretty good uptrend for a while, and after that, I entered one buy trade over here. Again, see, entering at extremes. Although it does not move much further into my direction, but still it was not a pretty good entry. And yeah, it went for in my direction for a while, but then I had to sleep. So what I did was I put the stop loss and went to sleep. And in the morning I saw, yeah, very bad trade. And after that, it went totally downtrend. Wow, it was pretty good downtrend until the morning. And in the morning, what it is doing, it is yeah, it is uptrend, very good uptrend. I guess I'm looking at this part. Yeah, I'm looking at this part, and I'm gonna look at that part just in a while now. So yeah, that part I guess started nine. Yeah, this downtrend now started. Pretty good downtrend. Right now it is a pretty good uptrend, but I do not trade at this time. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the evening. So this is it. This is all for today. See you guys just today, actually, just today evening. Okay. Yeah. See you later. Or see you in the evening.